Story refinement is an essential practice within Agile that ensures user stories are clear, detailed, and ready for development. What is story refinement? Story refinement, also known as backlog grooming, is the process of reviewing and enhancing user stories in the product backlog. This involves breaking down larger stories or epics into smaller, more manageable pieces, clarifying requirements, and ensuring that each story is well-defined and ready for the development team to work on. Story refinement improves clarity. It ensures that user stories are clear and unambiguous. This reduces misunderstandings and ensures that the development team knows exactly what needs to be done. It enhances quality. By refining stories, teams can identify and address potential issues early. This proactive approach leads to higher quality outcomes and fewer last-minute surprises. It facilitates prioritization. Refining stories helps in accurately estimating the effort required, which aids in prioritization. It allows the product owners to make informed decisions about which stories to tackle first. It promotes collaboration. Story refinement sessions foster collaboration between the product owner, the development team, and stakeholders. This ensures that everyone has a shared understanding of the work to be done. It prepares for sprints. Well-refined stories are essential for sprint planning. They ensure that the team has a ready backlog of actionable items to work on, leading to smoother sprint execution. How is story refinement done? Story refinement is an ongoing process that involves several key steps. Firstly, regular refinement sessions. Teams typically hold regular refinement sessions once or twice a week. During these sessions, the product owner, developers, business analysts, systems analysts, designers, delivery leads, and sometimes scrum masters, as well as other stakeholders, will review and discuss the stories in the backlog. Second, breaking down epics. Large user stories known as epics are broken down into smaller, more manageable stories. This ensures that each story can be completed within a single sprint. Third, clarifying requirements. The team discusses each story to clarify requirements and ensure there is a common understanding. This may involve asking questions, adding details, and defining acceptance criteria. Next, adding acceptance criteria. Acceptance criteria are conditions that must be met for a story to be considered complete. These criteria provide clear guidelines for the development team and help ensure that the story meets the desired standards. You estimate effort. The team estimates the effort required to complete each story. This helps in prioritizing the backlog and planning future sprints. And then you prioritize stories. The product owner prioritizes the refined stories based on their value to the user and the organization. This ensures that the most important work is tackled first. And then you ensure that the backlog is updated accordingly. The product backlog is continuously updated based on the outcomes of the refinement sessions. This keeps the backlog dynamic and up to date and reflects the current priorities and needs. What are some best practices for effective story refinement? Well, you need to ensure a regular cadence. You need to schedule regular refinement sessions to keep the backlog up to date and manageable. You need to make sure you involve the right people. Ensuring that the product owner or product leader, development team, and relevant stakeholders are involved in the refinement process is important. You focus on value. Prioritize stories based on the value they deliver to the user and the organization. This keeps the team focused on delivering the most impactful features at the right time. You keep it collaborative. Encourage open and honest communication and collaboration during refinement sessions. This helps in gaining diverse perspectives and improving the quality of the stories. And last of all, you need to stay agile. Be flexible and open to changes. The goal is to continuously improve and adapt the backlog to meet the evolving needs of the project. So to wrap this up, story refinement is an essential practice in Agile that ensures user stories are well-defined, prioritized, and ready for development. By regularly refining stories, teams can improve clarity, enhance quality, and ensure smooth sprint planning. Embrace story refinement as an ongoing process and watch your Agile delivery become more efficient and more effective. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss and update. And don't forget to check out the range of courses I offer that are trusted by organizations around the world, including the US government, EY, Cognizant, Accenture, Tata, and many more. You'll find all the details in the description below. Plus, you can connect with me on LinkedIn, where I share plenty of valuable content. Make sure to check out my video on user stories and my video on the power of story maps.